Okay, now that you've got all the pockets secured, the front part is nearly done here, we're going to take the Velcro pieces. So take your small 2-inch Velcro piece and you're going to pin it right there where it says hook tape and there's an outline for it. Line it up there. It's going to be a little bit tricky, so you may want to use some smaller pins to go through there and pin it into place. It's going to be a little bit tricky. Okay. It's kind of tough to go through, so watch out for your fingers there. Now we're going to go over to the machine and we're going to stitch around there as close as we can to the outside edges using black thread, or as close to black as you have. You want to use dark thread. Now again, keep the edges of your, keep your threads. You may want to make them a little bit longer. Okay, let's see. So we'll start up here. Keep those threads backing out of the way. Start up here at this corner. Get that presser foot down. And just stitch over that Velcro. May sound kind of funny. Back stitch a little. So stitching the edge of that Velcro. Okay. And then trim out. Again, you'll have to keep all this extra out of the way. Keep the threads out of the way. This part's a little bit tricky, but it's not much. Just so. Okay, go again. And you may even want to be able to just pivot then. So leave the needle down and then lift the presser foot. Back up. And when you get to the end, make sure the needle's down in the fabric and pivot. That way you don't have to cut each time. It really is better to pivot. And let's see. I think I missed some on that edge, so we'll back. Okay, and then trim out the extra threads. So then you can see it's sewn on there securely. I've got stitches all the way around. So trim those extra threads off.